And the AirPod 1, you're passing altitude now?
AirPod 1 passing 10,000.
Roger. 4060, send us 6,000 feet.
Down to 6,4006.
10 checks.
Okay, 10,000 checks. Belts are on, our belts are on, APU on the ground, and that's about it for 10,000 checks.
Sounds good.
And did he say we're clear for the approach?
Clear straight in, 08, report 8,000 feet.
We'll report passing 8,000 and clear for the straight in RNAV 08.
So delete the hold, please.
The hold, yes. On waypoint Mobix 1500. Execute. Okay. No
Thank
hold.
you.
Cayman approach, Cayman 103.
Cayman 103, report position.
Tower is 18-0.
Cayman 103, approach, go ahead.
8,000.
8,000. AirPod 1 passing 8,000.
Roger, report passing 4,000 feet and, correction, 5,000 feet and 10 out from Mobix next.
We'll report passing 5,000 and 10 miles from Mobix, AirPod 1.
Approach, good morning, Cayman 103.
I hate when they give you the late descent and I need to support the spoilers the whole descent.
That's fine.
Yeah,
Cayman
it
approach,
is
good
what it
morning,
is.
Cayman 103.
There's the
Cayman
island.
103, approach, morning, go ahead.
Yes, sir, with you leading 200 for 11,000. We are 17 miles north of the boundary. We have information hotel.
Roger, report passing 1,000 for 1,000.
Alright, other one, 2,000 for 1,000, Cayman 103.
Be bad.
Copy.
4006, level at 6,000. Just crossed 8 on and we do have the fuel inside of that hill.
Second.
Showing 5 miles from the dump now, level at 6,000. We have the field inside of that hill.
Roger, it doesn't actually, but you can start setting up to the right side. I'll coordinate that to the tower. And
Good effort.
the number 1 traffic insight. It's going to be on final when you're passing up the numbers.
Alright, we copy 4006. Cayman approach, good morning, Express 4375.
Press 4375 approach, morning. Report 5 miles from the airport, expect 08 for landing. QNH is 1015.
1018, report 10 miles, next 4375.
AirPod 1 passing 5,000 and 13 miles from Mobix.
Okay, I missed the altitude, say it again.
AirPod 1 passing 5,000 and 12 miles from Mobix.
Roger, you are cleared for the straight in RNAV approach 08, up to the tower 18-0.
18-0 clear RNAV straight in, runway 08, AirPod 1.
4006% of 5,000.
Roberts Tower, good morning. AirPod 1 is 10 miles out of Mobix from the north, inbound RNAV 08.
AirPod 1, Cayman on Owen Roberts Tower, correction. QNH 1015 at 2 Pascals, 29.9 7 inches, report Mobix inbound.
1015 report, Mobix inbound, AirPod 1.
AirPod 1, disregard the Mobix call, report leaving 2,500 feet next.
Full report leaving 2,500 feet, AirPod 1.
Starting to slow down just a little bit.
Sure.
AirPod 1, report your pass and altitude.
3,000, AirPod 1. And TAT is 26.
Yeah, we're good.
It's gonna be nice and warm on the ground.
It's good before we go to Canada.
Yep. Even though I was just in Toronto a couple days ago, it wasn't too bad. It was just like 0 degrees.
Been to New York 2 weeks ago. I almost died of frostbites.
And AirPod 1 is leaving 2500.
AirPod 1, roger.
Airport in sight.
AirPod 1, just confirm your distance to Mobix.
We are 2 miles from Mobix. We're going to begin our turn inbound shortly.
Roger, you can continue visually if you'd like.
Alright, clear visual 08, AirPod 1.
Cool. Beyond cap and flaps 10, please.
Flaps selected 10.
All the way to the ground.
Yep. And Tower AirPod 1, can we expect to backtrack on the runway, or do you need us to get off, give way to traffic behind us?
20.
Flaps 20.
You can plan to vacate for traffic behind you.
Will do, AirPod 1. Okay, so if you can make it at Fox, that's good. If not, we'll just go all the way to the end.
Robert Tower Express 4006 with
Can
you
make
on the visual 08.
Cayman Express 4006, Cayman approach. Good day, runway 08 in use, QNH 1015 hectopascals, 29.97 inches on the report, right base.
Copy all 1015, we call you turning right base 4006.
AirPod 1, wind 090 degrees with 12 knots, runway 08, clear to land.
08, clear to land, AirPod 1. Lights are on, landing
Gear down.
clearance achieved. Gear coming down. Three greens.
Thank you. Full flaps.
Flaps full.
Right base 08 4006.
Cayman Express 4006, roger, report 5 miles final. Number 1, traffic.
Gear down, 3 greens,
just
flaps
inside 5
30, lights are on, and we do have landing clearance.
45 miles final,
Right,
4006.
Just to verify, first time I'm landing here, they don't have a ground freak, huh? It's only
No,
tower.
no, it's only tower.
Yeah.
Okay.
Minimums.
Copy.
Wind check 110 degrees at 13 knots.
Thank you.
Express 4006, can I show you level 15 feet?
Visual, gonna aim for 3 rids.
Okay.
And tower Cayman 200, landing traffic in sight, ready taxi.
100.
Cayman 200, dot stop to 1 point, echo, hold short of runway 08.
50.
Echo, hold short 08, Cayman
30.
200.
20. 10.
Spoilers are out. Reversers are green, 100 knots.
Airpod 1 landed at time 1619,
18 knots.
vacate via Foxtrot, around the loop, taxi behind the Cayman Airways jet.
Vacate on Fox around the loop behind the 73 AirPod 1.
Airpod 1 correct.
Controls.
Cayman Express 4006, report distance on final.
1 mile final at this time, 400.
And we're vacating
Roger,
left
continue,
and
Brent.
behind the 73.
Okay.
And after landing checklist, APU on please.
Cayman 200, squawk 3415.
3415, Cayman 200.
Correct.
Yeah.
Right clear.
Copy.
Cayman Express 4006, wind 110 degrees at 10 knots, runway 08, clear to land.
Circle line 4006.
After complete.
Thank you.
Nice airport.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
A little bumpy on the way down though.
Yeah, it's always windy here. The island's pretty flat.
And the difference between the sea and the ground, everything is
One over target morning,
turbulence.
4375.
Cayman Express 4375 on Orbit Tower, good day. 08 in use, QNH 1015 at the Pascals are 29.907 inches. Plan for the South Coast, report eastern.
1015, plan for South Coast for East End 4375.
And Owen Roberts, good morning, Cayman 103 to join at RNAV 8.
Cayman 103 on Orbit Tower, good morning. Be advised, I have a SAB about to touchdown, coming up over VOR, then company to backtrack in the park. Reduce speed, your discretion, report 2 miles from Mobix.
Alright, we call you 2 miles from Mobix, Cayman 103, thanks.
And please.
2.5 minutes. It started when the APU started.
Okay.
30 minutes to start.
30 seconds.
Yeah, that's whatever. Yeah, this one, but a different one.
Those kind of minutes.
Cayman 200, enter via Echo, backtrack, vacate via Bravo, report at Alpha.
Alright, enter Echo, backtrack, Bravo, Alpha, the old shot for now, Cayman 200.
Cayman Express 4006, land at time 22, vacate via Foxtrot.
Alpha Foxtrot 4006.
Airpod 1, follow the Cayman Airways, enter via Echo, backtrack 08, vacate via Charlie.
Follow the 73, vacate via Charlie, backtracking.
Alright, all lights.
Thank you. Left side clear.
And right, you have a 7-3.
Cayman 103, report your pass on altitude, distance to Mobix.
We're 2 miles from Mobix, leveling 1,500 feet.
Roger.
Southwest. Taxi's faster.
Yeah.
And via Charlie. And I see our guys.
Yes.
Cayman 103, Pearson mention company crossing Charlie.
103, roger.
Cayman Express 4375 of a departing traffic off of 08, making a left turn northbound.
Mark off the traffic 4375, we're now showing established on the south coast.
4375, roger, join it, and report right down when runway 08.
Lights off.
Join report right down 108, 4375.
Good on the right if you need to steal a little bit.
Cayman 200, confirm, fully ready.
No,
That's affirmative, sir, fully ready.
Exit lights off there.
Cayman
Thank you.
200 without delays of wind 1 and 00 degrees at 12 knot, runway 08, clear takeoff, left turn.
08, left there without delay, clear for takeoff, Cayman 200.
Cayman 103 report, 5 mile final.
103.
okay.